If you're seeing Epic Games error code Su-Bv04, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most reliable ways to fix it step by step. This error usually points to a build verification failure, which often happens because of an unsupported drive format, corrupted game files, disk problems, or even faulty RAM. The good news is that in most cases, you can narrow down the cause pretty quickly and get back to installing or updating your game. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Now let's get straight into it. First, understand what Su-Bv04 usually means. Epic Games is trying to verify files, but something on your system is causing a mismatch. That mismatch can come from your hard drive, your memory, or the way the drive is formatted. One of the first things you want to check is whether the drive you're installing the game on is using NTFS. Epic Games installs and verifies games more reliably on NTFS, and if the drive is formatted as FAT32, that can trigger problems. To check this, open File Explorer, right-click the drive where Epic Games is installed, choose Properties, and look at the file system. If it says FAT32, that's likely part of the issue, and you may need to back up the drive and convert or reformat it to NTFS. Next, test your RAM, because faulty memory is a very common cause of verification errors. To do this, click Start, type Windows Memory Diagnostic, and press Enter. Then select Restart Now and check for problems. Your PC will reboot and run a memory test automatically. If it finds errors, that means your RAM may be unstable or failing, and that can absolutely cause build verification issues inside Epic Games. If the test comes back clean, that's a good sign, and you can move on to the next step. After that, check your disk for errors. Open Command Prompt as an administrator, then type Chkdsk/f/r and press Enter. If Windows asks you to schedule the scan for the next restart, type Y and restart your PC. This scan checks for bad sectors and file system problems that can interfere with game installation and verification. If your drive has errors, Windows will try to repair them, which can often fix the Epic Games launcher problem without any further action. If the error is happening while updating or launching an existing game, you should also verify the game files inside the Epic Games launcher. Open the launcher, go to your library, find the game, click the three dots next to it, then choose Manage and select Verify. Epic will scan the files and replace anything missing or damaged. This is one of the simplest fixes, and if the problem is only with a specific game install, it often solves it right away. Now check the installation location. Sometimes the game is being installed to a drive or folder that causes permission or compatibility issues. Make sure the install path is on a healthy NTFS drive and that you have enough free space. It also helps to avoid unusual folder names or deeply nested folders. If needed, change the install location to a different drive and try again. A clean installation path can make a big difference with errors like Su-Bv04. If none of that works, repair the Epic Games launcher itself. Go to the Epic Games Store, download the installer again, and run the setup file. This will replace damaged launcher components and refresh the installation without necessarily removing your games. Sometimes the launcher itself is the issue, especially if files have become corrupted or outdated. After reinstalling or repairing, try the operation again and see if the error is gone. At this point, one of these steps should fix the problem. In most cases, the key culprits are NTFS formatting, disk errors, or corrupted local files. So start with the simplest checks first, then move down the list until the error is resolved. If the memory test or disk scan finds hardware problems, that's a strong clue that the issue is not the launcher itself, but the system storage or RAM. If this video helped you fix Epic Games error code Su-Bv04, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials that save you time and frustration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.